Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India have announced the start of dispatch of its HNS CB350 motorcycle. The first customer-intended motorcycle rolled off the production line at the brand's factory at Manesar, Haryana. With the commencement of dispatches, we can expect Honda to begin customer deliveries of the HNS CB350 in the coming weeks. The motorcycle is part of the brand's premium lineup and will be sold via their big wing dealerships across the country. The motorcycle was globally unveiled in September this year before going on sale earlier this month. The Honda HNS CB350 is offered in two variants, the DLX and DLX Pro, and comes with a price tag starting at Rs 1.85 lakh ex-showroom Gurugram. The motorcycle features a retro cruiser design incorporating elements from its heritage CB offerings. It also combines the old-school styling with modern technology and equipment, making it an attractive offering in the segment. Some of the equipment on offer on the Honda HNS CB350 include LED headlamps, LED DRLs, LED tail lights, circular blinkers, Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC, a Honda Smartphone Voice Control HSVC system, and many more. The motorcycle also features a small digital display on the instrument cluster. This can be connected to the rider's smartphone via Bluetooth. The digital display offers a host of additional information such as messages and call alerts, distance to empty, real-time fuel consumption, a gear position indicator, a fuel gauge, and others. The motorcycle is powered by a 348cc single-cylinder producing 20.78 brake horsepower at 5,500 rpm and 30 Nm of peak torque at 3,000 rpm. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The motorcycle rivals the likes of the Royal Enfield, Jawa motorcycles, and the Benelli Imperial 400 offerings in the segment. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.